So hi friend, all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel Navigable. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you from where should you buy iPhone 11 in this month of October. So there are three websites to buy iPhone 11. So I will give all websites link down. So first open Apple. Apple has launched its website in India. Then we will open Amazon, then Flipkart. So here you can see we have opened the website of Apple India. So right now only they launched 12 Pro, so the price of iPhone 11 has been decreased. And so I am a Prime member of Amazon, so I am going to get my sale starting from 16 October. So today only I will buy iPhone 11. So just I am here to tell you all from where should you buy. So friends, here it's a Namaste comes. Now right now it has been closed. So we can open iPhone. So here is iPhone 11. So here it is not able to show you all, but there is a sale on iPhone 11. If you buy iPhone 11, you wanna get AirPods free. And the price of iPhone 11 64GB variant has came from 68,300 to 55,000. But so I don't want AirPods, and the model of AirPods is without wireless charging case. So I don't want AirPods. I want AirPods Pro, so I will buy it from Amazon. In the deal, first I will buy iPhone 11, then I will buy AirPods Pro. So here as you can see it's Prime, so my deal will start on 16 October. But the people who doesn't have any Amazon Prime membership, their deal will start on 17th October. So here you can see early from, so at today midnight the deal will start. So here you can see the price of iPhone 11 is given 48,000, and the deal of AirPods hasn't been included in this. If you want AirPods, so you just have to buy it from Amazon Apple website of India. And if you all want to buy offline, so you can go to Imagine Store. So I will buy it from Amazon. Right now Amazon hasn't added it in their products because the sale was going and they want to keep the deal, so they removed the items. I can show you all. They removed iPhone 11, but today midnight from for Prime users the item will be available. If you want to buy, you can buy it. And the benefits of Amazon Prime I will give you in next video. And in this week the unboxing of iPhone 11 will be introduced to all of you. So the price of AirPods Pro isn't given, but without the deal on Amazon its price is 22,000 approximate figure. And if you buy offline or Apple website, its price is 25,000. The price of AirPods Pro hasn't been decreased because no new AirPods are introduced. And sorry that I was not doing my videos. So now here it's Flipkart. The Flipkart Big Billion Days will start from tomorrow, but the people who were using Flipkart Plus, their deal has been started. So I don't use that on Flipkart, but and yeah, one more thing of Amazon Great Indian Festival. If you are having 10 HDFC Bank debit cards, so you will get 10% instant discount. My father was having, so I will buy it from there. So the pricing of iPhone 11 will be for me 43,200. So no one in my family uses SBI bank account. So friends, this time Apple iPhone, the price has been decreased. Friends, I'm not able to find right now. For that only I watched it. So big offers in this. So the Virat Kohli is the model of this. So friends, the iPhone 11 price hasn't been given this deal. But so yeah, if you want to buy iPhone 11 Pro, so I recommend don't buy it, because Apple is not providing now iPhone 11 Pro in India, because they removed it. So you can see the variants which are coming in iPhone are now iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, iPhone 12, iPhone SE, iPhone 11, iPhone XR. And friends, if you buy, you won't get warranty, because my father was having iPhone 11 and my mother was also having iPhone 11. So the warranty was dismissed as they closed iPhone 11 manufacturing in India. So you can see the price of XR is 52,500 normally, but right now they are giving in sale it as priced 38,000, and in SE 42,500 is the normal price, but now they are giving at price of 26,000. So don't buy it, because you will not get all benefits for iPhone 12 Pro. And I'm also buying iPhone 11, that's why, because I need it. My phone isn't working properly. So and 12 isn't launched right now. So friends, I have given all of you a video. So next video it would be of showing all the iPhone series. So the phone which are available in iPhone now. So thank you, and please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you face any error, just give me a comment. I will fulfill all of your errors. Thank you.